So yes, let's start and begin with the lab 2, that we are going for a tar backup and a restore with compression and uncompression. So I hope you have done lab 1 and you have gone through that and you just need to execute it so we can evaluate it. Just upload all these files onto the Techpledge LMS platform so that we can give you a remark about your evaluation. So yeah, let's start with this. So the same way we have objective, prerequisite, and we start with up with backup and restore. Using tar commands, you just need to create a directory with files, backup directory using tar, then compress it using gzip, remove the directory and recover the file. So this is the prerequisite that you need for your instance. So yes, creating a directory, just write sudo mkdir and a tar test. Then you go and edit that tar test, and into that write a file for your backup. So write just this is a test file for backup, and then you create another file inside that tar directory, that is sudo vi tar test file 2. This is the second file. Then you just ls it, so you come to know that yes, what are the tar test folder holds the files, and you create a backup for that. So how do you create a backup? So just write sudo tar cvf tar test dot tar test hyphen. So these are the backup files that you need to be created. Type the ls commands and then you will just see the backup file is being created. That is a tar test dot tar, and it includes all these files from this folder. So just ls and hyphen space hyphen lh. So it will show you the permissions. It will show you the what it holds. So yeah, you can see you don't have a permission. It's not permission for execution, not a permission for user, group, and owner. Your owner just has a read write. So this is a tar test.tar, and this is how you see the permissions over here. Using a gzip, now we are going to compress the tar file. A gzip tar test.tar. You'll compress it. Check the tar zip file ls-lh. So yes, this is tar test.tar.gz. You can see the compression file. Then to use the file command to check the compression status, yes, this is compressed. Tar test tar latest modified on from Unix. This is the name of the file. Creating a backup with compressed file rm. Remove the backup file we created. So rm tar test.tar.gz. Then add a forward zone with the following line: sudo tar zcvf tar test.tar.gz tar test. So yes, this is how you start. That is, first you remove the file, then add a forward zone to the following. Check the list. Yes, it's there. tartest.tar.gz. Delete the tartest directory. Remove rf. Force it to remove the tartest. You just see ls list. Okay, there is nothing. Just a tartest.tar. A compressed file. And what you need to do is just ls it. We will just see it. And this is how compression and uncompression works for your tar test. And I follow you do the same for this. Just go through this lab manual for tars backup and restore, compression and uncompression over here. So yes, so this is how it works, and let's take a break over here and we'll meet in the next lab demo.